Still with concerns of administration in schools, but this is countrywide. Education Cabinet Secretary Amina Mohammed has cancelled all leave plans for education administrators in the counties and recalled all their officers currently on leave to attend to the spate of fires in secondary schools. 10 school dormitories have gone up in flame less than a month into term 2. Most of the incidents are suspected to be arson attacks. Now, apart from the leave cancellation, the Education Ministry has also directed that all school principals and, of course, those who are their deputies and boarding masters must reside in school quarters to ensure effective supervision of student behavior and progress. At the same time, all regional meetings, including the annual Kenya Secondary School Heads Association for counties that take place during term dates, are suspended to allow principals to attend to students' concerns. All schools have also been directed to strengthen their guidance and counseling departments to address any challenging concerns around the institutions. Now, that's not all, and it also addresses the boards of management who must hold meetings now in their schools within 7 days to assess the state of their institutions, including discipline and security, and submit reports to the CS by the end of this month. At the same time, the principals must compile daily briefs on their school's security and discipline situation, report to their county quality assurance and standards officers. Inspection should also be stepped up, and recommendations from the School Unrest 2016 report should be implemented among them. Reporting students engaging in criminal activities as well. Further disciplinary action, including prosecution, should be taken against any school administrator who abets or refuses to investigate.